Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me here today at this absolutely stunning home in North Leamington Spa. Property's got 4 double bedrooms, it's got its own spa, beautiful landscape, private rear gardens with a summer house, mod cons all the way through and Sonos surrounding the garden, and it lights up beautifully in the evenings. Let's take a look inside. At the rear of this peaceful garden, we've got this fantastic garden room which has got underfloor heating. We've also got Sonos surround sound all at the garden, and it's beautifully lit in the evenings. This garden really is amazing. It's beautifully landscaped. There's lots of mature trees in and around us. It's a perfect place to entertain and unwind, yet you're just a 5-minute drive to the town centre. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this fabulous home. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.